everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie. If this is your first time here, I focus on DIY style and beauty, and today's video is going to be another hack video where I show you the different ways that you can style a no-sew wrap skirt. So somewhere in November last year, I posted a quick tutorial on how you can create a wrap skirt using just fabric. I used black sequins for that one. Somewhere last week, I posted another DIY styling video where I did the same thing using silver sequins, and I got so many questions as to how I achieved this. So today, I just want to share with you the different ways that you can style your DIY wrap skirts. Okay, so basically, I'm one person that I always buy fabrics. I buy fabrics because I'm either going to use it for DIY or something. So I'm always buying like a yard or 2 yards of fabrics. I'm always looking out for cute fabrics, and all the fabrics that I'm going to use today is from Ntomapa on Instagram. So without talking too much, let me just jump right into this. Style number one is a t-shirt styled with a wrap skirt. I feel like t-shirts are so easy to come by, so it's definitely going to be number one on the list. Moreover, the first time I did this style, I did it with a black t-shirt, and then when I did it the second time, I used a sleeveless muscle tee for this one. So you can either go like monochrome or you can color block as well. It depends on how you want it. As we go on in this video, you will notice that some of the skirts are long and sometimes too is short. Another thing that you're also going to notice in this video is with the wrap skirts, I don't always wrap it around entirely. Some of them I just tie it as a knot and just allow it to fall. So let's say you don't want your slit to be too high, you can just use a safety pin to close up the slit a little, and that's it. So yes, that's it for style number one. Let's move to style number two. Style number two is your button down or button up shirt with a wrap skirt. Personally, I'm a fan of men's shirts, so I would definitely pair this with men's shirts. So as usual, either you go monochrome or you color block. With one of the shirts, I have this striped shirt, and which has like lilac and purple and you know all these shades. So I just picked another a plain fabric that I feel matches the top, and I just paired it together. So you can either do the wraparound style, or you can just do your knot and let it drop and just cover your slit however you want it. So that's it for style number two. Moving on to style number three. Honestly, I feel like I would not be me if I do not throw this in there. And this style is your wrap skirts with a blazer. Yes. So this particular style, I think I've done something similar. I did it a while back for AFI Fashion Week. It was a welcome dinner, and I didn't know there was a dress code. So I got there, and then I just realized that the dress code was business casual because I had picked a sexy dress, but I couldn't wear it again. So I had to quickly DIY my outfit, and I just sewed myself in. So I just made like a wrap skirt and threw a blazer on and sewed myself in, so it looked like a dress. So with something like this, you can either throw your blazer on top of the skirt, or you can tuck your blazer in and wrap the skirt over it. So with this one, I did the knot instead of wrapping it around for the blue blazer, but the black one I did the wraparound skirt, which ended up giving me like a midi length. Another way that you can actually style the blazer is, if you want something more daytime, you can actually do your wrap skirt and wear a tank top or a t-shirt underneath and just put your blazer over it to give it like a daytime look. Okay, so style number four is the corset. So you can pair your wrap skirts with a corset. You can either make your wrap skirt long or short. So even with the short one, as usual, maybe I might not, when it's short, I don't like to wrap it around completely. I just like to do the double knot and just allow the fabric to fall. So with something like that, if you don't want to look too skimpy, you can even throw like a blazer on your shoulder just to make things a bit more chic and not too skimpy. So that would be it for number four. Moving to number five is the wrap skirts and the bodysuits. One thing that I'm always shopping for, bodysuits, be it long sleeves or shorts or whatever. Even some of the tank tops come in bodysuits. So this is also another easy way that you can style your wrap skirt. And you can also tie this shorts or long, whichever suits you is fine, and you can just accessorize and you're good to go. You can make it daytime, you can take it in the evening, however you want. So usually I would stop at 5, but I got a little bonus, so I'm just going to make it 6 waist. And the last one is your wrap skirts and a crop top. Either it's a bandeau style, a t-shirt crop, an off-shoulder crop, or whatever. You can honestly just pair these two and you're good to go. So that's going to be it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful as usual, and let me know if you want to see more, and if you have any topics that you'd want me to touch on, feel free to let me know as well. Don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.